Welcome to my video series. If you didn't know, I live in the south of England and I decided I needed to go and see all my friends on a nice big loop. So this video series features wet weather, breakdowns, some drone shots, some not very good drone shots, and some group ride chaos. Right, so I am just under an hour from Scotland. Right, the phone's on 67%, so let's sort out my charging situation. I thought I'd do this, but the sun comes out. I would fly the drone, but way too windy. I'm in some shelter here. Once you go above, it's proper windy. Right then, so let's try my setup. This is going to be a very weird way of doing it, but I did look, nothing's open. I did look around for like a shop that would sell this sort of thing. So basically this unit packed up yesterday. Now, we got caught in a very big downpour and it finally broke. And this thing is ancient, this thing is. And it costs £5, and I normally carry a spare, and of course the one time I don't is the one time it breaks. Typical. Well, I carry the spare Optimate one where I can plug it into the Optimate. So yeah, I've messed up there. Nothing's open, so I've asked my friend to order me a new one on Amazon Prime. So hopefully it'll be there tomorrow and I can install it. Okay, well it's going to look a bit odd. You know what? Let's put times on that. So it's on 60%, so I'll unplug it when it gets to like 80% or something. I just need to see if this works. Well, I've got the tent sorted, charged the phone up again. Tent's tied to this. This side is really hard, couldn't get a peg in properly. So I just tied it to the bike, crash bar, very useful. Lovely campsite. Got some sheeps. It's very nice. And hopefully, and I've adjusted the chain, and hopefully this bike pulls me the last 250 odd miles tomorrow. So I've got one ferry crossing tomorrow, and then hopefully, yeah, right. I think food, and then shower, maybe. And not that sort of shower. My favourite dinner, sardines and rice. I didn't bring a cooker with me because, well, I'm only camping for a few days. I think I will have a shower after dinner. I'm only camping for a couple of nights in the tent, and I just can't be bothered bringing the cooker. It's just like something else to wash up. I've got to wash up my spork later, and that's it. Right, enjoy this food. And I've got good old Tesco meal deal. Probably that was a big con. That was a big con. I should have just bought a damn apple. I just picked it up. A couple of grapes in there. Yep, could have picked a better snack. That was poor choice by me. But anyway, I'm tired. Right. Well, it's 7 o'clock. I've had a shower. I'm absolutely shattered now. I'm just gonna watch a film, I think, and call it a day. And it's blowing big time outside. So I got out of the tent and just saw the tent going. I was like, oh dear. But inside it's actually quite calm. Still get these massive gusts though. Hopefully it's not going to be too crazy tonight. I wonder what the forecast is. I'm kind of scared to check. I'll check in the morning when I'm packing up and leaving, hopefully.